baseline.
Wow, wow. I got 1,000 things on my mind to say to you. Yes, sir.
Cut off all doubt, all disappointment, all iniquity spell that form against our children and our brothers and sisters and our low places. Go before us at this moment, King Emmanuel. Do for us what we can't do for ourselves. Remove all burdens, that remove all pain, remove all shackles, remove all chain. Set our brothers and sisters free at this time. Oh, Most High King Selassie, Jah, Rastafari. Give thanks to the rising of the sun and to the
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless everyone, greetings, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed, and as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health over wealth, and your health is your wealth, so take care of it. You know, lion foot over there, vlog on the go. You don't know, you see me? Yeah, man, Raga Ruggie. The girl them go hard for Raga Ruggie, me nah lie. Viral king, viral prince, viral melanin, everything. You see me? Also, Rudie Irie, find it again. Rudie Irie and Trini Kingdom have a song named 1,000 Things on My Mind. Y'all, my viewers and subscribers. Remember me tell you, no, I see them performance. Big up Rudie, big up Raga Ruggie. I don't know if anytime I drop something, you know, I like drop the two of them because the two of them hot and relevant. And them come from the same place too. You see me? Yeah, man, you don't know, big up the whole Pale and Frog City, Wild Time. You see me, I say Maxfield. You see me, I say the whole Kingston 11 to 13, straight. The whole Jamaica still. But you are my viewers and subscribers. I know the routine, you know, after the break.
From now on, I'm gonna settle down. No more, I'm gonna let you down. No, you could have run well left me, but you stuck around. That's why me decide to stop fuck around, baby. From now on.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, we're gonna kick it off with Rudie Irie scene. So you big up DJ Ken. You know DJ Ken, I shell on the thing on the radio. You see me? Rudie have a new song named 1,000 Things on My Mind. Yo, man, I couldn't hear what one. Watch what one. Watch what one. Rudie them find it again. Yeah, man. Big up Trini Kingdom.
Anyway, big up to baseline.
Wow, wow. I got 1,000 things on my mind to say to you. Yes, sir. I got the
What a song, man, them can't beat that. No song.
Yes, sir. So open up your heart and let me in. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, big up the man them. Big up the man them. When we say, yo, you see the real girl out there, you know make she pass you by your draw down pan her and make she know say, yo, you have 1,000 things on your mind. Also, you don't know the wife at home. You have to always make she feel confident, you know what I mean? And reassure her, tell her she's sexy and then think they're not good and you're coming from work, you just give her some sweet time and she feel nice in herself. See? I say the ladies them. You see me? Big up Rudie Irie.
I said, be open up your heart and let me in. Even girl, I'm the one to love you, girl. I'm the one to need you, girl. I'm the one to need you to be mine, girl.
Yeah, man, you Rudie I tell you? Yeah, Rudie I tell all of the man know for talk to woman in and lyrics, you know. Some boy when I have no style, you know. Yeah, Rudie I tell you know for drop the thing.
I give you everything.
But hold on.
I give you
Oh, me not hear Trini sing.
You wear my diamond ring.
Oh, me not hear Trini sing. Come back and Rudie alone and take that more of the song.
Come in,
Yes,
You're the
Trini.
female artist now.
open up your heart.
You are, you're the female artist now.
By Rudie I sing out to
You're the
you.
female artist now.
Don't leave me like a
Yeah, what if a bar that's eating already? What if a bar that's, you know? Sure.
You're so provider.
DJ Ken, thanks, thanks. That's a fucking song, that's a thanks.
I wanna stay that way.
What a song, man, oh Jesus.
I mean, nah lie, she come in wicked. Big up Trini Kingdom. Nah lie, you have a sweet voice. A voice that's very luring. And I mean, it's very captivating. Me nah lie. Yes, man, big up Trini Kingdom and Rudie Irie. Me nah lie, on smash it with a new record and a new collab. Yeah. Big up Rudie, keep up the hard work, same way. And right now, you know, Rudie, one thing I like with Rudie, you know, is very consistent and him put in the work, same way, put in the work. You see me, I say, you know, Rudie hit already, and him go hit again because what? Him name done out there already, you know. So Rudie, I don't know. Mad. Me like that song, yeah. My viewers and subscribers, I know what to think of the song. Saying, Yeah, man, and big up DJ Ken. You saw me I say, sir, DJ Ken. Big up on yourself, Rudie Irie. I don't know Trini Kingdom once more. No, my viewers and subscribers, so we move on to Viral Prince, Raga Ruggie. Me nah lie, man sang a trending from last year up to now. Zine, I watch them girl, me nah lie, me see one of them me like that tall one with the long legs them, me nah lie, she bad. Watch what me I talk about. Watch what me I talk about, my viewers and subscribers, me nah lie. The girl them,
Hear that? Bless up the king.
me nah lie, I saw the girl about going up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 girl. Me nah lie, Raga Ruggie, you think up. Me nah lie, see a long one there in the black, tall tights. Me see she cock up, I can't tell, so she love her back as you know. Cock up your foot for you, no girl. Yo, me nah lie, the girl ever go hard for Raga Ruggie song. Big up Flitters Bass, Viral Prince, Viral King.
Viral Prince.
Big up Flitters Bass, Viral Prince, Viral King. You see me I say, I don't know anything Raga Ruggie touch to go viral. And Raga Ruggie is our next brother who put in the work, you know, his work ethics, I admire his work ethics non-stop. Energy on stage, everything. So Raga Ruggie can't wait for the place opening because he know him have a whole heap of tour lineup and bookings, you know. Likewise, Rudie Irie. You see me I say, my viewers and subscribers, yeah, man, you don't know a lion foot, you know, I know one thing still in the song. You know what I mean? About the song and the girl, them. You know, the Viral Prince song. Everybody a play it right now, all over the world. You see me? So big up Raga Ruggie. Big up yourself, brother. Flitters Bass. Nah, like the girl, them hop. I was part of Jamaica that. I don't know about what. I mean, when the girl, them hop at the tall one then at the black tights. She me like it, nah. My viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. I don't know a lion foot. I don't know. Your support is highly appreciated. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Peace and thanks. I'm out.
I say it easy.
The song is bad. The song is bad. Them can't go around that. The song is bad. Rudie, big up yourself. The song is bad. See the
baby. From now on I'm gonna settle down. No more I'm gonna let you down. You could have run well left me but you stuck around. That's why me decide this. The one I name reasoning. It's good when you and your friend will are reasoning. You can diffuse the feud by reasoning. Start out to no defense by reasoning.
Yeah, man, I hit that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for passing by. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell before you leave. Please and thank you.